what's in the box.
Hello. Now, today, we're going to be opening this BecauseRacecarBox box. If you're not sure on what a BecauseRacecarBox is, it's a subscription box, or you can buy a one-off box, which is what I did, with a discount code. I think it was 18 quid. But you get about 4 sample bottles of various detailing, cleaning products, which is good because I think my eyes need to be opened to new products. I seem to be stuck with the Auto Glim and Maguire's, and while they are perfectly acceptable, it's highly unlikely that one brand is going to have the best product for whatever application you intend on using it for. So let's get stuck into it. I haven't even got a knife. Oh no. Let's use this pen. Now I am actually looking forward to seeing what's in here. It's my first one. So, yes, look at that. Straight away, I'm not going to look at that because that tells me what's in it. But for now, a magazine, look at that. These are about 6 quid on their own. £4.99. So, we'll have a read of that. Some blue Watsits, look. And let's see. We've got first De-icer. Carchem De-icer. Now, quite handy that I had to use my debit card this morning to scrape my windscreen. So that'll go down a treat. Lemon sherbet air freshener. Is that a BecauseRacecarBox own brand? Looks like it, doesn't it? That could be handy as well. The car I've just bought smells like the previous owner's been smoking a bit of green in there. Now this Auto Bright Direct. I think I've used their wheel cleaner once. Purple one, can't remember what it was called. I had quite good results with that. And this snow foam, I've heard, is quite good as well. So it'll be interesting to try that. See how it compares with the Auto Finesse that I've just bought. Next, a Rapid Detailer, Infinity Wax. I think I have heard of them as well. But yeah, it can be used as a clay lube, I would think, as well. So we'll do a review on some of these products, I think. Detailing brush. They're always handy. The previous one I had to use to clean dog muck off the living room carpet. I was gutted. What else have we got? Another one. 5 different sizes. Very good. It's the most I've ever had, that. Oh. Classic black gloves. Should have put them on to start with. There we go. I reckon that's easily 18 quid's worth of gear there. I mean, what will that do? Maybe 3 washes, perhaps? Maybe not, maybe 2. 2 washes, bit of air freshener. De-icer. If it's frosty tomorrow, that'll be getting used straight away. And That's actually not a bad size, that. Rapid detailing. So there we go. I think that's it. Oh, I should just have a bag of what's it's now. There we are, sorted. So I'll do a review on some of these products later in the month. See how they get on. For now, cheers for watching. See you next time.
Like, share, subscribe. The Car Lovers channel.